Hello everyone and welcome back to For All Families channel. Today we're diving into a detailed guide on how to use the Mounjaro injector pens, the newest anti-diabetes injectable drug, soon to be approved for weight loss too. Before we start, we'd like to quickly introduce our portable coolers for refrigerated drugs like Mounjaro. They can really make the difference and ensure your drugs maintain their full potency wherever you go. More about that at the end of this video, so stick around. Now let's get started and show you how to inject Mounjaro with the pen. What is Mounjaro? Mounjaro is a recently FDA-approved injectable medication for type 2 diabetes. It works by increasing the body's natural insulin secretion and reducing glucagon release. It is administered once a week through an easy-to-use pen injector. How to use Mounjaro pen for injection? Using a Mounjaro pen might seem daunting, but it's actually quite easy. Here are the steps. Step 1. Prepare and check the pen. First, take your Mounjaro pen out of the refrigerator. Mounjaro is temperature sensitive and needs to be stored between 36 and 46 degrees Fahrenheit. Check the expiration date and confirm the pen holds the dose your doctor prescribed. Inspect the medicine. It should be colorless to slightly yellow with no particles. Do not use your pen if the liquid inside looks cloudy or has particles. These may be signs it has gone bad. Step 2. Wash your hands and choose your injection site. Mounjaro is injected subcutaneously and can be injected into your stomach, thighs, or upper arms. Remember to change the injection site each week to avoid skin complications. Step 3. Remove the pen cap. Check that your Mounjaro pen is locked, then remove the grey base cap. Step 4. Place the pen, unlock it, and inject. Place the clear base of the Mounjaro pen flat against your skin at the chosen injection site. Unlock the pen by turning the lock ring, then press and hold the injection button for 10 seconds. You should hear 2 clicks, one when the injection starts and one when it's complete. How to store Mounjaro pens? Keep your Mounjaro pens refrigerated between 36 to 46 degrees Fahrenheit and only at room temperature below 86 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 21 days. Keeping Mounjaro pens refrigerated and protected from the heat is crucial to maintaining their effectiveness and ensuring the success of your treatment. If you're on the go, you must use a travel cooler. Click the link below the video and choose among the dozens of models available, from the most basic ones working with biogel packs to the most performant travel fridges that keep your drugs refrigerated for multiple days of travel. Injecting cold Mounjaro. You can inject cold Mounjaro directly from the refrigerator, but it might cause more pain. If preferred, let the pen sit at room temperature for 10 to 20 minutes before injection. But never warm the pen, as it could damage the medicine. How to dispose of Mounjaro pens? Mounjaro pens are injection devices containing a needle. They are sharp objects that must be disposed of safely to avoid putting anyone at risk, especially children and garbage collection workers. Do not throw your pens in the household trash. Instead, please put them in an FDA-cleared sharps disposal container. Handling missed injections. If you miss an injection, don't panic. If less than 4 days have passed, take the dose now. If more than 4 days have passed, skip the dose and take your next weekly dose as scheduled. And that's it, folks. Managing your diabetes with Mounjaro just got easier. As always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more diabetes care tips. If you like this video, I'm sure you'll enjoy this video here, so make sure to check it out.